Before we proceed, is there anyone in this congregation with a reason why this couple should not be joined in holy matrimony? Speak now or forever remain silent.
Excuse me.
Hey, baby, my enemies are here.
Excuse me.
Baby, no, see, baby, it's better that it's me that I confess it to you, that you hear it from the public of the eye. Baby.
Excuse me.
Oh, help. Baby, see, let me confess by myself. See, baby, our house girl that carry belle that said she went to the village, that it's from village. It's not from village, baby. It's me that belle her. Baby, it's me that belle her. It's me that gave her the belle. Baby, I have 7 girlfriends. My enemies are calling again. Baby, I have 7 girlfriends. See, I rent house for 2 of them in Ikorodu, but it's only 2. The other 5 is pay as you go. Baby, baby, see, I don't have work. See, that thing I tell you that I'm working. No. But I will get work, baby. See. Baby, forgive me.
I beg, I want peace. Wait till like day.
Peace. No. Your peace has just taken away my peace. Oh, I'm gone.